Amazon Home Favorites. This is an electric screwdriver that comes with 3 different speeds and 12 different attachments. It's a lot faster and smoother than a manual screwdriver. I love how easy it is to use in tight spaces.
Parenting hack for large crowds. These inner soles hold a secret AirTag. Swap out with the originals and cut the same size. Now you can track your kid's location with your phone for additional safety and less stress.
Amazon Favorites. This vacuum and compressor has 4 different nozzles allowing you to do everything from cleaning your car, furniture, and other messes at home, to dusting your keyboard and other delicate items, and even compressing storage bags. It's also super convenient to empty. Amazon Home Favorites. This 3-in-1 ottoman opens up into a foot massager. It has 3 different kneading settings, a heat setting, and 3 intensities. And in its closed state, the cover can also vibrate for a light leg massage.
Amazon Home Find. This outlet shelf attaches directly to your outlet and can hold your smart speaker, sound machine, electric toothbrush, phone, or whatever else you need. It's easy to install, it hides the cords inside, and it's a great option if you need to save space or don't have an end table nearby.
Amazon cleaning gadget must-have. This handheld vacuum cleaner uses UV light to kill bacteria and remove dust mites, allowing you to deep clean your bed and couch with ease. Use it to sterilize curtains, throw pillows, toys, and more. Linking it now.
You guys, I'm loving my new Amazon Find. This digital tape measure is so convenient and precise. It's my new go-to for measuring spaces and furniture. It's so easy to use. You just roll it across the surface and get the exact length. You can even roll on curved surfaces as well.
Amazon Travel Finds. This is a hard shell jewelry and makeup box. Its mirror lights up and has different intensities and can also be moved forward. This expandable strap allows you to connect 2 to 3 suitcases together so that you can move all of them with one hand.
Ulaşırım. Alma. Ulaşırım. Üç kuruş. Ulaşırım. Bir. Ulaşırım.
Amazon bathroom bestsellers. First is this acrylic shower shelf that requires no holes or drilling to install and can fit up to 6 1-liter shampoo bottles. Next is this mount that sticks directly to your shower wall and allows you to scroll or watch content without worrying about water damage. This stone tile bath mat that's made of material that dries instantly when wet and can be arranged into any shape to fit your bathroom perfectly. And organize your hair, skin, and beauty products with this 3-tiered shelf for your countertop or behind your bathroom sink.
Amazon Home Favorites. This compact gadget opens up into a drying rack. It has groups to keep hangers in place, and you can customize it to fit smaller spaces. It also takes 2 seconds to fold back up.
They finally invented sock shoes. Slip on like socks, protect like shoes, and make you feel at home everywhere.
Amazon Home Favorites. This under cabinet lighting is wireless, rechargeable, and motion activated. It comes with a set of 5 light bars plus 10 magnetized stickers so the lighting can easily attach to cabinets with minimal installation. The magnets allow the lighting to be removed when it's time to recharge, which only needs to be done every 2 to 4 months. The lights also have 3 different modes, including on that stays on all the time, or auto that is triggered by motion, or controlled by a remote that has multiple timer options. They add just the right amount of light to your kitchen in the evening, plus they work in all different areas of the home, like between steps on a staircase or below bathroom cabinets.